Welcome. If you want to add widgets to home screen in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, at the first you have to click and hold home screen, tap on the widgets below, and right now you are able to pick one of the widgets. For example, I'm going to pick this one. So click once, and here we got the 3 different themes. I'm going for the last one. Click add, click OK to enable location in the case of the weather, and as you can see right now this widget is on the screen. So when you click and hold it and release, you can resize that widget. When you click here on that small arrow, you can refresh data. When you tap on that widget, you will open the widget that is exactly linked with this application that's linked with the widget, and you can move that widget between screens very easy. And if you want to remove, you have to click, hold, and then select remove. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.